Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix changes not saving in Hostinger Websites Builder at 2026. So this issue usually means the builder can't sync your edits to Hostinger's servers, alright? So we'll need us first to check your internet connection, and that's a serious case. So if your connection drops even for a second, changes won't save. So we'll need to go click on the Wi-Fi icon just right here, or signals icon, and then just go ahead and disconnects from your current Wi-Fi and reconnects, right? Also, you'll need to refresh the page. Actually, if you are inside the builder, just go ahead and click on refresh right here. And also, you can try a mobile hotspot or avoid public Wi-Fi if you're working on a coffee, etc. And if you see saving 3 points stuck on your screen, this means this is often the cause. Okay, so if that doesn't work, you will need actually to move to the refreshing parts and reopening the builder properly. So let me get inside the builder actually just from here, and this is the Hostinger Websites Builder. So what I'm going to do here is exit the websites builder completely. So for example, I will just exit it just right like that, and after that you will need to go back to the Hostinger to Hostinger dashboard panel, alright? And then just reopen the website. Go ahead and click on edit website again, and here you will need to wait until the editor fully loads, alright? Wait it, and alright, so now try saving again from here, right? And don't keep editing while it's half loaded. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.